More and more cases of the Omicron variant are popping up across the country, and as doctors predicted, more of the strain is being detected here in Florida. Tonight, we have 2 confirmed cases in the state, and that includes one at the James A. Haley VA Hospital in Tampa. 10 Tampa Bay's Emerald Morrow takes a deeper dive into why vigilance is still key, even though information is still so limited.
The VA hospital here in Tampa is still holding on very tightly to information about this local Omicron case. And even with this limited information, though, doctors say we have still got to care and we still need to be very cautious with this new variant.
We should care about Omicron for the next couple of weeks at least, because we don't know how dangerous it really is.
And doctors say it'll be another week or 2 before we've had enough cases and biochemical analysis to know if it's more or less dangerous than Delta.
We know it may be more contagious, so it might be easier to get. What we don't know yet, Emerald, is whether or not it'll make you sicker.
We know the patient in the local VA case only had mild symptoms and recently had been out of the country, but we don't yet know what this means for travel.
This gets back to the case tracing, which we've been doing, to try to find out where the source of that infection was.
Just this week, the U.S. tightened up restrictions on international travel. As for the ports, Port Tampa Bay says the rules are up to each cruise line.
Continue to be careful. We don't know enough about Omicron to say don't worry about it.
But doctors are working to learn more. The Florida Department of Health released a statement saying it is continuing with genomic sequencing to find variants, although data shows that happens in less than 3% of tests statewide. So until we know more,
just be careful and exercise that personal responsibility we've all talked about.
Governor DeSantis says even with Omicron in Florida, it won't change any regulations, and he won't be going back into lockdown. He says he has no problem with people choosing to isolate on their own, but he's against any statewide mandate.